called intercostal nerves. Intercostal. They also lie between muscles. What muscles? Intercostalis externi, intercostalis interni, and subcostalis, of course. In front we have transversus thoracis muscles. Innervate all these muscles. And they pass in sulcus costae. You can come here. Sulcus costae. Sulcus costae, together with intercostal vein and artery. You can come and sit here. Here's more better side. Don't close. Come closer. In sulcus costae, together with intercostal artery and vein. No artery vein lie above, nerve below. That is why remember, nerve lies in sulcus costae, more inferior structure. During pleural puncture, when in clinic you will study pleural puncture technique of this procedure, how you will do, you must needle insert it along the upper body of low located rib, but no inferior body of upper located rib, because you can pass through the nerve. You understand? Here, rib. Not along inferior, along superior needle must be inserted. Superior margin of low located rib, but no inferior margin of upper located. It's a special technique of pleural puncture in 7 intercostal space between scapular or vertebral line. In this space, in 7 intervertebral space, you must insert it needle, no between 7 and 8 there, no on inferior margin of 7, but upper margin of the 8. Nerve lies below. In sulcus costae we have vena, arteria, nerve. Nerves more inferior structure. And intercostal nerves, they are divided into what one? Upper 6, they innervate what part of the body? Thorax. Our intercostal nerves pass like ribs, not horizontally, but what? Obliquely. Obliquely. Upper 6 pair innervate what part of the body? Thorax. They give medial and lateral thoracic cutaneous branch and medial lateral muscular branches. Medial lateral muscular branches. And lower 6,
abdomen.
They pass on what region? Abdominal region. They innervate muscles of abdomen. These thoracic muscles, deep and abdominal muscle, they form autochtonic ventral musculature, which are innervated by anterior branches of the spinal nerves. Thoracic spinal nerves, anterior branches, have nervus intercostalis. Rami dorsalis, which innervate this one, they are not called intercostal. Intercostal only anterior. They are mixed, yes, to the skin and to the muscles. They innervate muscles of the thorax. What muscles? No superficial, only deep. Superficial innervated, they attach to the shoulder girdle and to the brachium. That is why innervated from brachial plexus. They are connected with upper limb. Only deep muscles of thorax and abdominal muscles innervated by these anterior branches. The last intercostal is called nervus subcostalis, subcostal nerve, because it passes below the 12th rib, but not between the ribs. Subcostal, this nerve is subcostal, the last is subcostal. A subcostal will participate in lumbar plexus. What branches give thoracic nerves, intercostal nerves? They give rami, cutaneae, thoracicis, anterior or medial and lateral, cutaneous, and of course rami, no, mammary, cutaneae anterioris. In the region of the mammary gland, they are called rami mammari, medialis lateralis. And they give rami muscularis, medialis et lateralis. On different picture you can find here rami cutaneae anterioris. Anterioris we have pectoralis and anterioris abdominalis. And lateralis, pectoralis and lateralis abdominalis. Until what region innervate intercostal nerve? Do you remember this free region from last term? We have free region of abdomen. What name has this region? Epigastrium, mesogastrium and hypogastrium. Intercostal nerve reach innervated until what region? Until hypogastrium. Hypogastrium, they are not innervated. Lumbar plexus innervated and low limb. Lumbar and sacral plexus. These 6 upper innervates thorax, 6 lower, abdomen until hypogastric region. Epigastric and mesogastric until hypogastric. And they give medial and lateral or anterior, medial or anterior and lateral cutaneous, pectoral, abdominal branches, and anterior and lateral muscular, pectoral, and abdominal branches. Do you understand? The same muscular and the same cutaneous branch, thoracic, pectoral, and abdominal. But to the deep muscles of the thorax and muscles of abdomen. Now it is about intercostal nerves. Intercostal nerves, anterior branches of 12 thoracic. They have not, they don't form plexi. They have metameric structure, pass in each segment of the body between ribs and muscles to corresponding parts of the body, skin and muscles of the body. Lumbar plexus, plexus lumbalis. How it is formed? Plexus lumbalis is formed by anterior branches. The principal part is lumbar 1, lumbar 4. Anterior branches of upper 4 lumbar spinal nerves. But if you say upper 4 lumbar, yeah, stop and say only upper portion of lumbar 4. Lumbar 4. Lower portion of lumbar 4 continues and join with lumbar 5th anterior branch and join to sacral plexus. Lumbar 4, lumbar 5 together join, form lumbar sacral plexus, the truncus lumbosacralis. Their connection, this subcostalis, they form junction. Subcostalis, first, second, third, fourth. Fourth, the main part participates here, but lower part joins with fifth and together form truncus lumbosacralis, which is mixed with the sacral plexus, and they form truncus lumbosacralis. 83,90.